Hi everybody, today you're going to be listening to the Storyworks Junior article, The Space Rock. What would you do if a rock worth $7 million landed in your yard? Here's a couple things that you need to know before you start reading. The setting of this story is on a farm in Wisconsin. Wisconsin is a state in the United States of America. The people in the town in Wisconsin are down on their luck, meaning that they don't have a lot of money or opportunities. Suddenly, a meteorite crashes down to Earth on a family's farm. What will the family do now that the meteorite is in their yard? This story is a fictional story, meaning that it's not real. Here's a couple vocabulary words that you guys are going to see while you're reading. Ghost town. A town that no longer has people living in it. Gash. A long, deep cut. Meteorite. A piece of rock that has fallen to the ground from outer space. Meteor. A glowing piece of rock or metal from outer space that flies through the sky. You can actually look up videos on YouTube of what a meteor looks like. Atmosphere. All the air that surrounds Earth. Meteor shower. A large number of meteors that fall at one time. Again, check out YouTube to see if you can find a cool video. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy this story.